So what I'm going to show you today is how to install the windshield wipers on a 2018 Honda CRV LX. And what you see here is the AutoZone website, and the windshield wipers I bought are the Duralast Flex 26-inch bracket design wiper blade, as well as the Duralast Flex 17-inch wiper blade. I got to tell you, the first time I bought these, I bought the wrong ones and I had to go back and get them returned and replaced with these. I noticed it right away because these particular wiper blades have this bracket design and the other ones didn't, and there was no way to put them on. So that's why I'm going to show you how to do those, and I just thought it'd be better for me to do it because I know they'll charge me labor if I go to the dealership. So let's go out there and change these parts out, and it's very easy to do it on a Honda CRV. So what I'm showing right here is a wear indicator. So you take off the cover sticker from the wear indicator of the windshield wiper blade, and that's going to show, when you have to replace that windshield wiper. It should turn yellow once it's worn out. To install the driver's side wiper blade, press on the two sides of the clamp. Then you're going to press downwards to remove it. Now you're going to bring out the new wiper blade. And here are the two sides of the clamp that you're going to press on to open it. And now through that groove that you see there, you're going to put it in through that wiper blade. And you're going to push it upwards in order to, it's got to snap a little bit once you go in there. And once you feel that it goes in, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to close that clamp on the top. Now for the passenger side driver blade, remove the cover sticker for the wear indicator. Once again, that's going to tell you when your driver blade needs to be replaced, and that should turn yellow, I believe. And then there's that cover sticker I just removed. Now, to install the passenger driver blade, here are the two sides of the clamp. Got to press on those and open it up. Now you're going to pull downwards to remove it. Now you grab the new one, and here are the two sides of the clamp. Open those up. Now you're going to insert through that groove the wiper blade. So you're going to push it on upwards in an upwards motion. And you'll know once it goes in when you hear like a click for it to insert itself in there. You should hear a little snap. Once you hear that, you close the clamp up, and you should hear that snap. Close that clamp that you had opened up, and voila, you're done. Okay, here's a windshield washer fluid reservoir. Open it up. I'm going to clamp it right here. Now, here's a windshield washer fluid I bought. It's a Shop Pro brand. Removes dirt and grime. So I figured I'd show you how to do this since I was replacing the front shield wiper blades. So might as well show you how to do this. This is like the easiest thing. Now I'm just going to pour this into the reservoir. So just trying to be careful here to pour it in. Now I'm going to pour it in. There you go. I usually don't fill it up that much, but that's good. So then now I'm going to close it up. There it goes. Clamp it on there. And I'll move that part back up there just so it's nice and neat. And now you can clean your windows with your windshield washer fluid. And it was a nice 70-degree day today, so this was really nice to do today. And there you go.